Rise and grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2013 Nissan Rogue 2.4 4-cylinder. We're doing front end components. I'll be doing the inner and outer tie rods. And we got CV axles, both sides. Now I'm not going to be showing the how-to on the CV axles because I already got a Nissan Rogue on the channel. I'll put that link in the description so you can check that out. But we're gonna go ahead and jump on these inner and outer tie rods. Already did the tune-up, and I'm gonna do a oil change. Customer provided parts. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion. We have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
So this tune-up was already done. I did a short, quick video for that, like a minute long. It is on my channel. Check the playlist, Nissan Rogue. All right, we got it up in the air. Got the jack rod in place. No need for jack stands. All right, I wanted to show you before I take the tire off. If you take your hand, grab it left and right, and just twist it and just like pull on it, and if you get play like we got here, that's a problem. All right, that's gonna be them control arms or tie rods or something wrong with the suspension. All right, we get up in here, inspect, notate that she needs some shocks. I'm gonna recommend sway bar links. Hitting these tie rods, see they busted, so that's a lot of play in these inner and outer tie rods. CV axles, you can see they are greased up, spitting out a lot of grease. Once they do that, they are damaged. You need to replace them. Some people know how to rebuild them, but most just replace. 22 mil wrench, gonna get that bolt off of there, that nut. All right, so we got a 14 mil nut there. All right, once we get that nut off, just want to tap right here, and that'll pop that up out of there. Just like that. That thing busted. Get this little clip off right here, and then it's going to be this little zip tie type thing. This strap, break that free. All right, broke that loose. We're gonna use a zip tie to put that back together. Now we can get this boot off. All right, before I take this nut off, I'm gonna count the threads and I'm gonna match that back up when I put the new one back on there. So this is an easy way that I'll get this off. I use my impact. That's gonna be rusted on there. It's gonna be hard to twist it, turn it. You can lube it down, PB blast. So we got our little tool set. It removes the inner tie rod. So this is the setup that I got. You gotta find the right size that goes over that tie rod. Hook it up. This is a 1/2 inch. And I got a little, leverage. Turn it to the left and that'll break it free. Make sure that washer is on there. Slide that on. Lock that clip. We in there nice and stiff. Make sure you put your sleeve on first. Make sure that clip is on there. And now we can go ahead and install that inner, the outer. See, that's not a lot of play, so we good. Go ahead and install. Got the clip on there. Zip tie. Man, this thing had way too much oil in it. Way overfilled. And that's gonna be it for this one, man. If you want to check out the oil change and how-to video, you can check my playlist for the Nissan Rogue. Until next time, the Pull Up King.